Too many people spend money they haven't earned, to buy things they don't want, to impress people they don't like. Hey there, YouTube fam. Today we're going to dive deep into a topic that can truly transform your financial future, mastering the money-making mindset. This is where it all starts, folks, so get ready to shift your perspective and unlock your financial potential.
Well, I've been there many times, so it's no big deal. You just figure out what's needed and wanted and you go do it. If I had to do it again, I'd go work for McDonald's. And the reason I go work for McDonald's, whether it's $7 an hour or 15, I don't really care. I don't really like McDonald's food, but they have the best business systems in the world. How else can a company take virtually non-college educated people and build a fast food industry across the world?
1. The power of belief. Our first point in mastering the money-making mindset is the power of belief. Your beliefs about money can either limit or expand your financial success. Here's what you need to know: positive self-talk. Start by eliminating negative self-talk about money. Replace self-doubt with affirmations like, I am capable of financial success, or I attract abundance. Embrace abundance. Shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Believe that there are endless opportunities to make money and that you deserve them. Invest in self-improvement. Invest in personal development books, courses, and seminars that can help reshape your beliefs and mindset about money. It's not about the money you make, but the mindset you create.
I am very shy. Very, very shy. I came back from Vietnam and I could kill people, but I couldn't talk to people. And one day I said to when I decided to follow my rich dad's footsteps, I just said to him, I want to be an entrepreneur. He says, you got one problem. I said, what's that? I said, you're shy. I said, what's wrong with being shy? He says, you got to sell. You got to handle rejection. Number one skill. Can you handle rejection? Answer is no, I couldn't handle it. So I said, I still don't want to learn how to sell. So this was in 1973. I was 25 years old. And my rich dad said, how's your love life? I said, it sucks. He said, getting laid? I said, no. He says, because you can't sell. Guys got it? So when I talk about what skill do you need, when the hits the fan, you better start selling.
2. Goal setting and visualization. The second element of a money-making mindset is setting clear goals and visualizing success. Set SMART goals. Define specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals. Having a clear roadmap will keep you focused. Visualization. Spend time each day visualizing your financial success. Imagine yourself achieving your goals and experiencing the life you desire. Daily affirmations. Incorporate daily affirmations related to your financial goals. These reinforce your belief in your ability to achieve them. Money is a mindset. If you think you can't make it, then you never will.
So the other thing with when people say live below your means, you don't like to live below your means, do you?
No.
And I think when you say to somebody live below your means, you wipe their spirit out. It's like saying to somebody, if you want to lose weight, go on a starvation diet. It doesn't make you healthier to starve yourself. So I would rather get financially educated. That's why I read your books, because this is my greatest asset. I want to feed my brain so that I can expand my means without getting into excessive debt or where I start to lose. Because debt, you could say, is a two-edged sword. But telling somebody to live below your means is almost inhumane. I never felt good doing it. I wanted to strive to do better every day. I want to do better every day. I liked a good life.
3. Continuous learning. The third pillar of the money-making mindset is continuous learning and adaptability. Never stop learning. The financial world is constantly evolving. Stay updated on trends, investment opportunities, and new skills that can increase your earning potential. Embrace change, be open to change and adapt to new circumstances. A flexible mindset allows you to seize emerging opportunities. Learn from mistakes. Instead of fearing failure, see it as an opportunity to learn and grow. Each setback can bring you closer to success. Rich people have small TVs and big libraries, and poor people have small libraries and big TVs.
Well, I'll say it again. In 1973, I came back from Vietnam, and I was a pilot out there. And I took a real estate course. It was $385, 3 days long. And that was a lot of money back then. I was only making $500 a month, so $385 was all I had. And the instructor at the end of the program said to me, he said, well, to the whole class of about 30 of us, he says, your education begins now that you leave the class. You didn't get educated while the class. So his assignment was that everybody, or 30 of us, we had to pair up in team, get up in teams, two or three at a team, and we had to look at 100 properties in 90 days. And he says, don't buy anything, just look at 100 properties, do your evaluation of each property, write a short blurb about it, why it's good, why it's bad. And it's at the end of 90 days and 100 properties, then you make up your mind if you're going to buy something. He says, if you haven't found one property in 100 deals, you start again. You start again with another 100.
4. Wealth building habits. Our final point is all about developing wealth building habits. Budget and save. Create a budget to manage your finances efficiently. Save consistently and make it a habit. Invest wisely. Make informed investment choices that align with your goals and risk tolerance. Network and collaborate. Build a strong network of like-minded individuals who can provide support, mentorship, and collaboration opportunities. Your financial success is determined by your money mindset more than your income. Conclusion. There you have it, folks, the key principles to master the money-making mindset. Remember that it all starts in your mind. Your beliefs, goals, and habits will shape your financial future. So, start today, start now. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more transformative content, and share it with your friends and family who are on their journey to financial success. And I'll see you in the next video. Keep mastering that money-making mindset and watch your financial dreams become a reality.